I started, it was, my first experience was that the campus was very unsafe. So I contacted Safe and Supportive Schools, got in touch with Janae Latrell, who then who connected me with the Unity Days.
Unity Days is a social emotional focused full day assembly type program for middle schools and high schools. And through a series of activities, discussions, and experiential learning, our goals and objectives for the day are centered around building community on those campuses, increasing a sense of empathy and connectedness and compassion amongst students. Also getting across the sense that other students have gone through similar experiences that I have, and that I'm not alone, and that it's okay to ask for help if I need to.
This program is good for everybody, not just the students, but it's good for the adults on campus as well. And this is probably one of the most empowering groups, events that I've ever participated in.
I definitely say my mental health has improved over the course of these Unity Days. I feel more sociable. I feel like I could actually talk to people more. You'll learn how to be able to consider people's experiences in life. You'll learn how to be able to guide them in life. You'll learn how to lead a person to be the best version of themselves that they can be.
I want to come back because when I was in 6th grade, the school, I mean, it's a school, but it didn't really feel safe. We never really had a leadership group come in and help and try to help the school become a better place. So I'm thankful for you guys.
Why I think people should experience it is so that you know you have other things in common with people, and that you can know you're not alone in these experiences. I have definitely met new people. Just now, I met someone with the same birthday as me.
I think that one of the things that I learned is that a lot of people go through a lot of things that we wouldn't expect. With more Unity Day, I feel like people are actually calming down because I've seen less and less fights.
I've heard from a lot of students that participated or that have been doing this for a while now that they've got to meet other people that they don't generally talk to, which I think is a big deal, especially now. It's been really cool to see the students in a different role and just capacity here with Unity Day. Usually I see them in my office with either academic or personal issues, but right now it's nice to see them as groups, getting to know other students I don't typically get to speak with, but also seeing student leaders sort of step up and lead those groups for them.
I think it's important that we all come together in these kind of things and be a community and learn how to better be together and do activities that help you bond and have better experiences with each other.
I've enjoyed seeing other people's experiences, and I really love just seeing the people feel better about themselves.
There were a lot of kids all by themselves, or very small groups, and they don't mix. And I noticed that with this, a lot of the children are actually, or students are actually talking to each other, and there's just more of a community now.
You guys are making a huge impact on these children, and they might not have the support at home. So this is great that you guys are offering it here at school, and they know that they have someone to count on.
This inspires me to become a better person in general, and it's fun. You get to meet new people almost every time you come here, and you get to make new friends. So it's just good for me because I love getting more friends every day.
The kids and the leaders and teachers, they all just made me want to come back.